You ever looked at a beautiful embroidery design and thought, that looks way too difficult for me? Well, today I'm going to change your mind. In this tutorial, we'll create 4 beautiful embroidery designs that look professional, but are surprisingly simple to make. Let's get started with our first design. We're starting with this elegant floral branch design. First, begin stitching the leaves. Try to keep your stitches flowing in the same direction because this helps the leaves look smoother and more natural. As the blue leaves start filling in, you'll notice how quickly the design begins to come to life. Now let's move on to the flowers. A common mistake beginners make is pulling the thread too tightly. This can cause the fabric to pucker and affect the final result. Instead, keep your thread tension even and comfortable. Little by little, the petals fill out and transform a simple outline into a beautiful floral pattern. And that's one of the most satisfying things about embroidery, watching a design slowly come together stitch by stitch. Now let's move on to a design that looks much more advanced. This wheat embroidery design has a very professional appearance, but it's actually created using a simple repeating pattern. Start with the stems and branches first. Having a clear structure makes the rest of the design much easier to build. As you begin stitching the wheat grains, try to keep them similar in size and angle. They don't need to be perfect, but consistency will make the finished design look much cleaner. Don't rush through this stage. Wheat embroidery is all about patience. At first it may not look like much, but as more grains are added, the design starts becoming fuller and more realistic. And before you know it, you've created something that looks much more complicated than the stitches used to make it. Now let's switch things up completely. Unlike the previous designs, this one is all about texture. These fluffy flowers create a soft, raised effect that instantly stands out. As you form each petal, focus on keeping the flower balanced, rather than making every petal exactly the same. Remember, handmade doesn't mean perfect. Tiny differences actually add character to your work. This technique looks beautiful on sweaters, cardigans, scarves, and many other projects. As the petals build up, the flower becomes fuller, softer, and much more eye-catching. The finished result adds both texture and personality to the fabric, making it feel completely unique. Before we finish, let's create one final design. These tiny daisy flowers are simple, quick, and perfect for decorating denim. Start by creating evenly spaced petals around the center. A helpful trick is to imagine a clock face and place the petals around it. This keeps the flower balanced without needing any measurements. Once the petals are complete, add the center stitches. And just like that, a plain denim surface becomes much more creative and personal. Sometimes the smallest embroidery designs can make the biggest difference. 4 beautiful embroidery designs, each with its own style and technique. From floral branches and wheat embroidery to textured flowers and adorable denim daisies.